Uh, Good night, good afternoon, everyone. This is our project for the midterm of microcontroller and microprocessors exam. And I mean project. So we're gonna make the snake game, the old popular game which we happen to met when we are young. This snake program is created with sound when the snake eat the fruit, and I will create a sound when you die or the game over state is fulfilled. Okay, let's start the explanation.
Okay, so in this program we are using 14 proc. The first one is the main proc. In the main proc there are three
Main process.
main process. There are three main loop. The first main loop in this table, we can call all the function and repeat the function such as input movement, and we can moving it, and also the fruit generation, and etc. The next one is the game over main loop. In this loop, the loop about calling function for the game to stop with each function for each condition. And then the next one is quit press main loop. This label is used when the player press Q, and then it will quit the game. The second proc is delay proc. In this proc, this is a function for delay the system using integer 1ah interrupt 1ah with 10 ticks per second. The next proc is the fruit generation. It divided into regenerate and nevermind. In regenerate, it creates the fruit location in x and y coordinate randomly within the boundary. In nevermind, it keeps the fruit to be in the same coordinate if the fruit is still not be eaten yet. And the next proc is the display digit proc. Input and show the score. The next one is display number proc. It will display the number from calling the number. And the next one is set cursor post proc. It will save the position of current cursor. The next one is draw proc. Draw the cursor and the outline including the fruit. And then read char proc. Read the input from keyboard.
And then the keyboard functions, it input the movement of the program, the snake, which we call if we press W, it will move the head into the up with up movement, move to up, and then if we press S, it will create the down movement, and then if we press D, it will create the right movement, and A, it will create left movement, and the key if we decide to quit the game. And then there is the shift snake probe. It's a process for creating the movement of the snake, where we basically just increase the next position for the head and decrease the next position for the tail. And then there is the what do we call so basically in the shift snake proc, we create the destination column and row, and then we check if we use the movement, if the snake is eating the fruit yet or not. So if it's the fruit yet, then it will create to it will jump into the regeneration fruit function, and then it will create the sound, and then yeah, that's basically it. If we and then after that also there is a state where if we move the snake into the boundary or it itself, it will it will change, and or it will jump into the game over state. And then there is the print box. It's basically just draw the boundary in the program for the snake that make the snake cannot escape. And then there's the right char add and right string add and read char. It's basically just returns all the characters, all the all the string into BL, and we can read the charts to do the program. So we're gonna start the program.
Yeah, using those box.
Yeah. So this is the main. This is the first page or the first line of the program, and then after we continue or we press anything, we'll be in the game. So you can see if we if we press W, it will go up left with S, and if we press D, it will create right. It will be do the right movement, and then if we press A, it will create a movement, and then if we eat the fruit, then it will create the sound.
And we also add some features to live score, so we can
keep in track how our achievement is, and then how is our achievement. And then if we died, it will create it will show the message obviously snake died, and then it will create the sounds. And then there is another situation where if we eat ourselves, if we generate the snake long enough to be able to eat itself, and then it will create a game over. So it's basically, but we need to wait a bit. Nah, that's it. That's the state. So there's 2 game over state. Actually, there's 3 game over state with when we press key to quit the game. So, but the bug is there is no what do we call it? There's no vinyl score. So basically, yeah, that's it. That's our program is. Thank you.
So basically, the snake program is the objective. We need to collect point as many as possible to win it.
Yeah.
And we need to escape from
to evade
from the obstacles. From it can be from ourselves, or it can be from the border and something like that.
Okay. That's basically all of it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good night.